my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and I hope you're doing fine. And this is part 2 of unboxing Happy Mail. I unbox Happy Mail from Alicia from Love Letter Generation, and today's video I am going to unbox Happy Mail from my dear friend and pen pal Cammy Crafts. She has an Instagram account and also a YouTube channel. I will leave her information in the description box below. She's a very dear friend of mine. You know, back in the days when I started crafting, she was the second person who asked me, oh, would you like to shop with me? I'm like, yes. So we've been swapping, you know, every couple of months here and there. So I am just so excited to reveal what she sent to me, and I am going to flip my camera so you guys can see what I got from Cammy. I will be right back. Okay, I am back here and I am going to open, and let's take a look. I know she sent me a DM a couple of days ago, and she said, oh, I don't have that many Christmas stuff, but I will put something for you. I'm like, oh, how nice. Oh my goodness, this is just so cute. So cute. She is just so talented. And oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And she did like a rosette here. Oh, and she sent me, oh, I don't have the stamps. Thank you. You know, I have the chipboard and few loose ephemera, but I don't have the stamps. Thank you very much. Oh, perfect. Okay, let me take a picture and I will be right back, because I want to take a picture so I don't forget before I start, you know, pulling things out. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I took pictures, and of course I'm filming at night, so there's a lot of glare, so please excuse for all the glare that I'm showing. So I am going to oh, this is so cute. Oh, and she sent me a like a wand. How cute. Oh, look at these, the bows. Oh, how gorgeous. She's so talented, and I also love her style of doing things. It's just, her crafts are just so gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it's gonna go in my room. I don't care, it's not Christmas anymore, but I have a like a stand where I put all my like Happy Mail stuff that I receive, you know, like, so I always put that. So it's gonna be on display year round. And believe it or not, yeah, I don't have any Christmas related decor, only my tree. I left my white tree without ornaments. It's kind of sad, but he's there. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave him there till this Christmas. I don't know. Well, let me know in the comments down below if I should just remove my Christmas tree and put it away in the basement, or should I keep it there and decorate for spring, for Easter, for summer, for Halloween, you name it. Let me know down in the comments below. And she got me these Christmas handmade little birdies. Oh, I don't have these. You see, there's some, that's one thing that there's some things that we don't get here in the States, but this is just so gorgeous. Never seen that before. And oh, there is her note, and she sent me, oh, ephemera. Perfect, because I am running, I guess I only have like 2 or 3 or 4 ephemeras from this collection, and I was not able to get it at Tuesday morning or anywhere. It's just like sold out. And I love this clip, so this is just perfect timing, Cammy. And this is her note, and I'm gonna read it. Oh, look at that, Merry Christmas. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I love this loaded envelope, Cammy. Oh, she's my crafty friend. Yeah, and oh, look at, oh, I know. She knows that I love anything Daiso, because I don't have anything close, and she knows me. Cammy, you know me. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at this Christmas die cut zip bag. And some of you who live in California, who live close to a Daiso, you ladies are blessed, because I don't have one. Otherwise I'd probably be there. Oh, she always send me all this cute stuff. Oh, look at that. I hope it's not showing that much glare, but look at these. Isn't this cute? I know last time a couple of times I stopped with her, she sent me a message in Instagram. Hey Karina, there's like new things coming up in our Daiso. Do you want to get something? I'm like, yes. She knows me. Thank you. This is just so gorgeous. And she sent me some stickies, and oh, look at these big. I don't have these big Project Life cards. No, I don't. Oh, gorgeous. And I love these for the envelopes, like to seal your envelopes. And I love the style of this loaded envelope. How cute. I love Cammy's style, period. She's my crafty BFF. I just love the wand. And this is definitely going to be in my crafty corner that I have here. And believe it or not, you know, this, I probably have to put this away with my ephemera, the few ephemera that I have from this collection. And I am just going to treasure these ones too. Perfect for next year. Oh, what I'm saying for next year. For this year, this Christmas. We're 2019, for God's sake. Okay, so this is all the gorgeous loaded envelope that my friend Cammy sent to me. And if you have watched the entire video, that means that you liked it. So just please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, just click the button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.